Welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. So who don't know, I'm Damani and I do post on the stock market updates and what to expect and how to trade the market when the Federal Reserve do make decisions and how can we invest in stocks for long term. So please like, subscribe, and comment and let me know what you guys want me to break down and I will do so for you. But let's get into it. So what to expect this week? Coming this week on Thursday. This Thursday can be a market mover or a market upside or downside. And also Friday, personal consumption expenditure will be released alongside gross domestic product will be released on Thursday. This can move the market in a positive way or in a negative way because if these numbers are not what the Federal Reserve is looking for, then we're going to have problems. So let's get into it. What happened this week and how can we prepare ourselves going forward to better trade the market for whosoever out there is struggling like I used to be when I was trading. I used to lose money consistently. I'm losing until I found out how to really manage my money, manage my risk to reward management, my strategies that I use to pave the way to a better trading. So let's get into it, guys. So first, I want to bring you guys over to NASDAQ, what NASDAQ did this week. This is NASDAQ. It covered the whole market. You name all the tech stock, this is what tell you whether it's going up or down. So this week NASDAQ went to a high Friday. This what normally happen on Fridays. Market tends to pull back. But look at NASDAQ. Previous resistant level broke past this resistant level and set a new one all time, even for the last 10 years. This is the highest NASDAQ has been. This is crazy. And how can we prepare for this? So let's go to 180 days and zoom in a little closer to see what's going on. So this is my resistant line. Once NASDAQ was tending to find a lot of resistance right here, but for some news, they're anticipating that now the Fed is going to pull back. The Fed is going to cut rate in March. So this is what the market got excited about and decided to continue so going up. But therefore, what really happened is NASDAQ just decided that once none other than NVIDIA keep going up, NASDAQ is not turning back. And we're grateful for it because we need moments like this. Things like this in the market is a best way forward, bringing back the investors. So this line right here is my 180-day moving average. Once my stock is trading above this line, it's telling me, hey, the market is going higher and higher. So keep buying, keep holding. This is what this line is currently telling me. This is my RSI down here, and this is my MACD. My RSI is telling me that the market is super oversold. As you can see, this is in red. So at any point, we can either continue to go higher or we can pull back. Where is pull back? Normally when NASDAQ pull back, we found a support right here. As previous, you see NASDAQ break below, trended up, got rejected, consolidate. Then market didn't decide to go up, so it pull on back 180-day moving average and then push right through previous resistance, break through it, smash it, kill it right through to a new high. And because of that, what happened with the stock market? Let's move over to the stock market. Let's go on my trading platform. So this is Blink. I've been invested in Blink for quite a while. Who doesn't know? Blink is a charging company. They've been getting a lot of news, great news, but the stock decided it's not going in the right direction. So double bottom. What is double bottom? Once the stock hit the same line twice, it's telling me that therefore the stock is going to move upwards. So what I did Friday, Blink was showing sign of a double bottom. I drew my line, previous support, found it right here. So I drew my trend line and I see hey, Blink normally finds support at $2.22. It broke below, go to $2.18. So I got in, I got like 2,500 shares, and it break and push on through. Of course, it's going to do, because previously last support happened again. Three stages of reversal. You have rejection, stock selling off. Once it got rejected, and consolidation. As you can see, the stock is consolidating. Push on up, continues to push up. Got rejected again. All right, so another stage of reversal. Rejection, sold off, consolidation. You can see the stock is no longer selling off. What it's doing now, consolidating. Once it is consolidated, then it's time to go on up. My plan for Blink is this week. If Blink comes back up to 275, where I'm going to set my alert, create an alert. And who doesn't know, this platform that I'm using is Think or Swim platform, and I do use Webull as well. I use my Think or Swim to do my due diligence, and my Webull to execute my trades. So I'm going to create my alert, and I set an alert right here. So once Blink comes back to $2.75, I'm going to know that the stock is continuing to go up, because this was a previous support. Previous support can form my new resistance. Let's see. It break through my moving exponential, which is telling me that the stock is bound to go up. RSI is telling me super oversold, coming back in the picture, and my MACD is telling me, hey, we're gonna have some time to come up now, so look forward. But again, never ever rely on these lines, because they're just there to guide us, not to lead us. So never rely on them. All right. And there's a lot of news about this stock Blink. That's one of the reasons why I chose to invest in it. And I went outside numerous times. There's crazy Tesla lined up in line, crazy EVs trying to get charged. So once Blink start investing and coming out in more communities, more states, then therefore they're going to be making a lot of money. So this is a stock to watch. I've been watching it for maybe 3 years now. The last 5 years, it has been got rejected numerous times, and now I'm in it for a long run. And also, other stocks that I'm watching is none other than Tesla, who cannot. This week coming on the 24th, Tesla will be reporting earnings. My prediction is I don't see Tesla getting any good news coming out. So when Tesla does report earnings, if not, my next support is at $190. Also, as you can see, Tesla got rejected here and push on up for so two support. Let me just clarify. Yep, on the 24th, Tesla will be reporting aftermarket. This is crazy. So aftermarket Tesla will be reporting. If Tesla news is bad, the market will go down, continue to rally down. If Tesla news is good, then of course we're going to see a huge upside and continues, because you all know Tesla is a crazy stock. So that's one of the big stock that I'm watching for 2024. And also Apple. I did got some shares in Apple, because again, it's just fundamentals. When Apple sold off previously, this was way back in last year, October 26th. Apple got rejected, and look at this massive upside from $165 to what? This is 34% craziness, but it's great. But as you can see, Apple sold off, found support right here, continues, and now they got rejected because of numerous news that came out with them. And I decided I was just waiting to pull a trigger on Apple, because look, Apple sold off. I missed this 180. I was just anticipating, is it going to go lower? I got in at $183 around here. 183 I got in, and I'm in for the upside, because we all know Apple just came out with their Vision Pro, and with their new Vision Pro, it's expect to gain a lot of momentum. All right, so right here, Apple Vision Pro. This is the future, believe it or not. and this is currently selling at 3,400. We all know this is like $4,000 with taxes and stuff. And this is one of Apple new product that they came out with. And if all goes well, we will see a shift in their price. A lot of reviews came out, and it's nice. 2 hours, you get 2 hours lifespan on it, and we're just waiting to see. But this is one of my number one stock for this year. I'm just gonna keep buying and buying and buying, and none other than Google. Google has been trending and trending and trending and trending non-stop. Look at this. Highs, highs, got rejected, push, push, keep on pushing up. But I'm currently watching it, and Intel is one of my recent stock that I've been watching, recently added to my watch list and previous sold off. I'm gonna set my alert just in case stock tends to pull back when they hit new highs once they get rejected. And Intel is still in consolidation stage for me right now. So I'm watching it. They're expected to report earnings on the 25th after Tesla report earnings. And this is aftermarket as well. I think Intel is going to report some good earnings and this stock is going to be up and through the roof. But I'm not so happy to get in yet. But I will draw my line. I will set my trend line to see what's going on. But if they do get rejected, though, I definitely, when once they found support at $32.54, then I will get in because Intel is a growth stock. Year over year, Intel always produce. Let's look at Intel and 1 year, 1 year, 1 year. See, nice. This is a growth stock. This was back, let's find January, February, right here. Look, if you had got in, this was January 26th. If you had got in January 26th of 2023, look at this. This is a nice, nice growth. Nice growth. Look at this. Pretty sure this is over 50 something percent. This is sweet. So this is one of my growth stock that I'm watching here over here. Intel tends to push up and a lot of growth. So I'm definitely watching Intel. And also Microsoft has been killing it non-stop from January. Look at this growth stock. So I'm focusing more on growth stock and also can't leave out Meta. Oh Lord, just look at this from $138 to $384. This is crazy. This is crazy. Meta is reporting February 1st. Guys, stay tuned. Watch these videos. Pay attention to what's going on with the market, with news, because when these company report, Meta is going to definitely kill it. Meta is going to kill it with no doubt. Only thing will pull back Meta is their guidance. If their guidance is not up to par what the street is expecting, then we're going to find a pullback in Meta. And if Meta pull back, these are buying opportunities like Apple. Apple pulled back, and what I did, I went straight in without no hesitation. I just bought, and then what I'm going to do is continue to buy more shares. Because instead of having my money sitting in the market, put it in the I'm sitting in my account, sorry. I'll just put it in the market and put it to use. Other than have it sitting there and the bank is investing it for me. But Nvidia, whew, I blame myself because I drew my trend line previously, and what Meta did, Nvidia came to this support, found support at this line, and I rejected and keep holding back. And look at this from previous support, with Nvidia right now, and this is what's causing the market to move up 196. This is crazy. 49.14% from previous resistant, previous support. Look at this, previous support to 49%, over 50% in less than 2-3 months, less than that. This is crazy, guys. I don't know what else to say. I'm all blown away, at this point. The only thing I can say to you is please like, subscribe, and post those comments so I can help you guys out to better yourself. All of us have that point where we fail to make better trading choice. It happened to all of us, happened to the best of us. Warren Buffett is one of the best trader in the market, and he lost millions, trillions of dollars. But what you can do is help yourself by preparing. Do your due diligence before you invest in a stock. Know what the stock, know what the company does before you do so. Go check the balance sheet out, read the balance sheet. If you can't, I'm here for your help. Let me know. How can I help? Okay? So please like, subscribe. Until next time,